In this video, I'm going to show you how to place images inside of shapes in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is add in that image. So go ahead and click onto File and click onto Place. And now I'm just going to choose this image here of this puppy. So now I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger, like so. Now the next thing we need to do is add in a shape. So on the left hand side, we want to go ahead and click onto Shapes. So like so, and now I'm going to choose a shape where I'm going to put that puppy inside of. So I might choose this love heart here, and I'm going to draw out this shape like so. Now from here, I'm going to use the move tool, and now I'm just going to place this on top of the puppy to get a rough idea how big I need to have this shape. So I reckon about make a little bit more bigger. That's going to get that puppy inside like so. Now from here, what we need to do, I might just center up these images. So I'm going to put the puppy there and have that heart shape there. Now another thing what we can do to have a look what it's going to look like, click onto the heart or that shape, and then at the top here on the top right hand side, we go ahead and click on the swatches and just change the opacity, and you can see how that's kind of going to look inside of there. So it's not going to be perfect, but this is for demonstrations. But let's go back to color. And now to place that puppy inside of there, just simply click and hold that layer and just place it inside of that heart like so. And you can see here, we've got that puppy inside of that heart. As I said, it's not the greatest because I haven't chosen the correct image to make this actually work how it should, but you got the idea of how to place an image inside of a shape.